Can I help you? All right, friends, that's better. The tree, phenomenal, right? We love it. So last night we didn't get to this, which is fine. But we are going to be going through and decluttering this tote because I've got the vacuum seal bags. And this tote is huge. It does not fit in this space at all. I could turn it like upside down and sideways and all different ways and put it in my closet, but then it just takes up space that I don't have in my closet. So we're not going to do that, okay? We are going to declutter. We're going to keep decluttering until my little heart can't declutter anymore. I've gone through this specific thing at least once before I moved. Pretty sure I went through it with you guys, but we're going to do it again. So my goal for tonight is to at least get this tote decluttered and in the bags. I don't necessarily know if I'll vacuum seal the bags tonight. We'll see how late it is. I don't like running the vacuum too late in the apartment, but that is the goal. Sorry if you can hear Kylo eating in the background and Kelly coughing in the background. But, so if you're new here or you've never seen me declutter clothes before, I have gained some weight and I have maintained that weight gain for a little while. And that has been hard on me. So I number one, I don't necessarily try things on or go by the sizes, which does kind of, it doesn't make sense, but it makes sense at the same time. Like these jeans. I haven't fit into these jeans. They are 16. I haven't fit into a 16 in a while. Do I keep these jeans because maybe one day I'll fit into them? I think that's why I've been keeping them. But no, we are going to donate these. Like I said, I've gone through this tote before. I've gone through this process with all of these clothes. And I just get better and better and better at it every single time. Like I know I kept these because I do like these jeans. I like the design of them. But here's the deal. I can find jeans that fit my growing body a lot better. And not necessarily growing bigger, just like, you know, changing as an adult. If something is like an extra large and right now I'm wearing a double X, I'll still probably keep it just because I do go up and down so much. But if it's like a style I don't like, I'm not keeping it anymore. If it's a style I haven't worn in years, I'm not keeping it anymore. Like these are extra large pants, but they're stretchy, so they'll fit and they're nice for like dress stuff. These shorts, they're 16 as well. I'm not going to keep them. I got this and I really thought that I was going to, you guys are like really off center and it's kind of driving me nuts. There we go. I got this and I really thought I was going to wear it more than I have. It doesn't have pockets. Does it fit my style that I'm going for? Yes, it does. So let's keep this for now. This is just a plain black pair of sweatpants. Does this still fit? You can always use sweatpants. I'm getting rid of these red pants. I'm not going to wear them. I should have gotten rid of them in the last one, but I didn't. I used to be the kind of person who would save clothes because I would fit into them. I literally, see, these are closer to my size. I will fit these once summer rolls around. These are like the same shorts as those ones were, but in a bigger size. So I used to be the kind of person that would keep clothes. Like I had shorts from high school that I was like, girl, you'll fit into them one day. No, I am a 31-year-old woman. I do not need to fit into my high school shorts. There's no reason that a goal of mine needs to be to fit into my high school shorts. Is this a blanket? No, it's a poncho thing. Are we going to wear it or am I just keeping it because someone gave it to me? You're awfully needy tonight, my love. I think that this is actually something I would wear, so I will keep it. I just need to get this stuff out of this tote so I can actually wear it. Okay, so this is a South Dakota jacket. I actually kind of want to get rid of, this isn't the one I'm wearing, my other one that I wear all the time and switch it out for that one. So anyways, as I was saying, I think I got distracted. So I try not to keep things based on if I'm going to lose or gain weight. I don't do that anymore because it's terrible for my mental health and it's terrible for my body image. So I really try not to think about things that way. I think I'm going to keep this because I think I have one just like it and I need to decide between the two which one I'm keeping. These are really good fleece line leggings for like underneath jeans and like warm stuff when I'm taking care of the horses. I also have a problem with fuzzy socks. I really love fuzzy socks. This is something that I'm just not gonna wear. I've kept it, like it would fit me. I've kept it because I thought, well, maybe. And here I am now, right now, like, well, maybe. But am I actually ever going to wear this? Highly unlikely. Christmas jammies, fleece leggings, fleece leggings. I have a lot of fleece leggings. Fleece leggings, fleece riding breeches. Okay, this is another, like, one of my dad's things that is sentimental. This is another sentimental thing. Like, I have some clothes that my dad gave me, or not my dad gave me, but I, like, have from my dad, so I keep those. Okay, this is a cute sweater, but it, like, yeah, I'll keep it. I'll wear it. These dress pants. Oh, there's 2 of them. Perfect. These are nice dress pants. I've never worn them because I don't dress up a lot, but I might wear them. These pants I think are terrible, and I'm not keeping those. Look it. We are almost there. A pair of my dad's flannel pants, so I'll keep those for jammies. All right. Look at us rocking and rolling. See, like, I've decluttered this so much. This is all the shirts that I've saved from, like, high school, from my ex. Yeah, I think these can take up a small, like, vacuum seal bag. These can take up a small vacuum seal bag and then just go in that tote and go to my mom's. When I first started, like, decluttering the closet and, like, my clothes and stuff, it was really challenging because I would get in my head and be like, oh my God, you used to fit into this. How have you let yourself go this bad to the point where you can't fit in this, or like to the point where you're this size now? I used to talk down to myself so much. Now, once my brain starts to go to those negative thoughts, I bring it back to neutral. It's normal for your body to go through changes. It's normal for you to go through changes with your mental health, with where you are in life. It's normal for you to, like, change your style, and it's normal for you to, like, change, you know, who you are as you get older. There's no reason to be sad that you can't fit into things that you fit into like 10 plus years ago. I don't need to keep his little T-ball pants, do I? Donate, keep, donate, donate, keep, donate, keep, and donate. I'm going to link the video of me first decluttering Kelly's, like, tote that I had of his baby clothes. I decluttered a lot of his baby clothes and got rid of so much. But the fact that I only kept, like, 4 things out of that pile, I got rid of over half of it, like, that's phenomenal. It just goes to show that if you, like, work the muscle of decluttering and getting rid of stuff, like, you're going to get better at it, and you're going to lose attachment to the physical things, you know? Because it's just stuff. We can't take it with us when we're gone. Like, it's just gonna sit in a tote somewhere, and I don't know. There's just no reason to keep as much stuff as we have. Do you see how big this is? And nothing is gonna go back in here. Nothing. We're doing vacuum seal bags. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I have no room. But my suitcase has a lot of stuff, like just jackets and stuff like that in here. So I have a feeling it's going to be fairly easy to downsize. Or not like downsize, just unpack it and put stuff where it needs to go. I think this is actually my sister's jacket. Whoops. Sometimes these jackets just like ride up too much, and I don't think I'm going to wear it, so that's a donate. I didn't expect that I was going to get rid of a lot of that. It was mostly just for storage. But since I have to use, since that has to be in my closet, I'm going to put vacuum seal bags in there so that they can be stored better. Okay? Okay. All right, let's give a rundown of what we're working with here. So far, this is what is going back into rotation, like in the closet, getting folded, put it away. Maybe, yeah, no, I think all of that will stay out. This stuff is getting vacuum sealed and put into either the storage bin or put somewhere if it can fit here, whatever I decide. And then that right there is donate. So really, like, that's not bad. I've really gotten the hang of this, just like get rid of stuff. Get rid of it. Do I start putting stuff in the bags to see? Because these were just given to me from my mom, so I don't know if they work. Yeah, let's put them in the bags to see. And then I need to go into my closet and see if there's anything else that I need to put into these vacuum seal bags. I had to stop for a second and go do something, and now I forgot what we were gonna do. First off, we gotta see what space bag my mom gave me, because I don't even know. I don't even know what she gave me, what sizes. She says they don't work. She says whenever she has used them, oh my gosh, these are hanging ones for my dresses. So I don't even have to like, that's perfect because they take up quite a bit of space. Oh my gosh, wonderful. There's compress up to 10 garments. Phenomenal. I don't know what these are. Okay, so this is a little one. Okay, so that could probably be like t-shirts and such, right? And then we've got a giant one that'll probably be for like the comforter. Another little one. So is it just all the ones that are in? This is what she gave me. So, okay. So we have a lot of the medium-sized ones, it looks like. Kylo, no. Did I just break it? Nope, that's sealed. Okay. Oh no. Got it. These are not vacuum seal. These are just rolly seals. Okay, interesting. We'll see, we'll see. It's too much. Yeah, these are space bags. You can fit more, right? Like 5 shirts, 3 shirts, that seems a little bit ridiculous. But that's all that this can fit. I'm confused thoroughly. I thought these were the vacuum seal. That's what I wanted. Just suck the air out of it, not me roll it. I'm fighting for my life up here. Uh-oh. Okay. Sure. How many bags is this gonna take up though? Like, I guess I've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 7 bags, I guess. I guess 1 down, I guess? I don't. Okay. Alright. We're gonna speed this up and see how this goes. Okay. We're gonna do a before and after here, okay? So this is like how thick this is. These shirts were pretty equal, right? So we're gonna see how much it takes these down. because these are sweaters that I want to keep, but I don't necessarily want to wear them. Okay, so this is about as thick as the two sweaters were. So that saves quite a bit of space. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I mean, I fought for my life to do it. Okay, but this is literally like, this was just holding like some sweaters and stuff. So now it's holding like a bunch of my storage stuff. So it's holding a purpose. It already has to take up space in my closet. I didn't want to put this in storage just because I like to have access to it, because I love the idea that I can go on vacations frequently. But I am really happy. Oh, come back down here. I'm really happy with how much we were able to put in this. Yeah, I love it. Am I happy with how much work and effort I had to put into that? No. Am I a little sore from having to push so hard? Yeah, absolutely. That was ridiculous. But the rest of them are vacuum sealed. And like maybe I should have vacuum sealed these ones. And like just rolled the ones like my winter and summer exchanged clothes. But we're past that point now. We're past that point. Man, I just got really tired. But I am going to stop here for tonight. I know it doesn't seem like I did a lot. No, I did do a lot. It does seem like I did a lot. Okay, I did. I emptied that whole entire tote. Got the stuff I needed to vacuum sealed and put in the suitcase. I did do a lot. Okay, see, that's what you need to switch your mindset to. Talk nicer to ourselves. Anyways, I'm going to end this tonight. I need to get the child dinner. I actually have to edit the video that you guys will see before this tonight. So I'm going to rest for the rest of the night. I lied. I'm going to put the donate clothes in a donate box, because if I don't, I won't. Okay, I need my second donate box. I usually donate one bag at a time. But I'm running low on trash bags, so we're donating 2 boxes at a time. We already got donate stuff. Heck yeah. Okay, now I'm done for the night, and I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow evening so we can work on the closet and take inventory of what we have and space bag some more stuff. See you then.